This machine is our new model, the Race RLC-DX Race Label Cyclone Deluxe. It's capable of doing a lot of different things. Right now I'm going to be demonstrating the threading, and it's going to be set up to do bottles like this: square, ovals, rectangles. It'll do a lot of different things. So to thread, coming toward you, you go over the top of the big roller. Your labels will be on the bottom, coming from the bottom. You go over the top of the big roller. I'm going to get out of the way kind of here so you can see that the guide roller in the back, you go underneath that. I've got a piece of scrap metal right in here to keep this tensioner, which is a very important part of the machine, separated so that you can easily thread. But you can use anything. This is just a piece of metal that comes out, and then we're going to tighten the tensioners down back here by turning the wing nuts, and there's a spring here. It makes tension so that the labels aren't loose. Okay, so the tensioners are tightened. Now we're changing from a wider roll that we were using earlier to this more narrow one, so we will move these. We're changing out a roll here actually, and we do not have to change anything on this side to accomplish this. So you tighten that, and then back here we've got these small guide roller on the right, and it comes over and just nests against the paper, not pinch it, it just guides it. So we've got the tensioners retightened, and we're still coming toward us now. This roller right here can be lifted out of there and put down there for the threading process, which gets it out of the way. You come between this roller and this roller coming towards you, and go underneath this silver separator plate and the red plate here. You'll come between them, and then you're going to go back towards the power roller here and have a piece of tape handy and tape it to the roller. This roller then comes back up, and you are threaded. You've got nice tension right here, keeping everything running nice and straight. And as you crank, your first label will pop out sticky side up. Another video is going to demonstrate how to apply the label. This was just the threading video for this mode.